Ano? Efektiba.
Wala pa ba?
Hindi, sa carpet yung mga dumi, matatanggal talaga. Okay.
Des. Oo, kasi ngayon, baka itutulog niya yun.
Meron akong FP. Pero kung meron ka ng box mo, may forex sa box na, pwede mo
Sinabi
i-box sa
dito.
akin. Stand natin.
Kaya,
Talaga.
dito na ako.
Parang hindi ka na bumili box. Kasi $10. Pero kung wala kang box, meron
Ano
ka
sa
sa
parang pinaka-unbox niya.
may standard yan. Patricia.
Dalawa akin. Okay ah. Meron na.
Thank you. Tayo, nakatayo.
So, Pam, try Pam.
Guys, is that dito yan?
Yeah, I cracked it already. If this is buy me that Adriel. Kawa?
Bago ba lahat dito? Bago lahat yan?
Para pong napapatawag po. Kasi po lahat may iluto yan yung bago-bago. Kasi may exhibit.
I want to make sure everybody gets
This is weird.
Hi, Marianne. This is Gary. This is Don. Just know to say good or bad.
Dapat lalagay sa sister.
Naharangan ka na nila.
Ilalagay sa... Pwede sa may... Ay, sister!
Sisaglit lang ha?
Ay, na naman. Sige na rin na. Pwede ba?
Dito mo makain kasi wala ko sa akin.
Pwede ba?
Saan dito? Yan. Hindi.
Ako pa kulang ka dito si Kampati dito, no ha? Kasi kung angat ganito para close up please. Pero 160. Ito din yung material. Ito yung pang basketball. Ito yung pang winter. Tingnan nyo, walang garter. Parang wala siyang garter. So, hindi siya nakaka-restrict ng blood.
I have to come back when you're doing a demo.
I can do one right now if you want.
Seriously? Okay, sure.
Would you like me to do a dog tag?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's pick this one. I'm gonna do the Toronto Raptors logo. How does that sound?
Okay.
You can come around here. You can take the video as well.
Oh, okay. Where was this technology developed?
I believe in the States. From
US?
What I'm doing right now is just lining it in the box so I can have it centered on the dog tag itself.
So the drawing has to be sized to the surface, the material that it'll be burned.
Yeah, but I can shrink it up and
Oh, okay, you
based
can
on
shrink.
the image, right? Like it doesn't have to be. It's not that size. I can shrink it up. I can make it smaller, proportionately, obviously. Get as big as possible and use up all the space Can you see there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do it right now. Let me see what view you get. Oh, perfect. Okay. You actually want to come stand where I am?
Okay. It's laser?
Yeah. It takes up basically a millimeter of the material. It doesn't fade. That's called laser etching.
And which surfaces, what kind of surfaces can it do?
We can do it to any surface. So the only difficulty that we have, the only thing that we can't do is the one that's reflective, like the LG shine.
Oh, okay.
It bounces off, but we need is like all we need is a spray, but we don't bring it on the area because it's kind of smelly, the fumes.
Yeah, I think it should be popular with cell phone people.
For sure. Definitely a good thing for Christmas gifts too, right?
Yeah.
We do cell phones, laptops, cameras, anything electronic, USB keys.
How much for a laptop?
Laptops cost a minimum $75 based on details too, right? The more detailed, the more pricier it can be.
What about the tag? It's $5?
$5 for a tag, yeah.
Including the tag.
Including tax, yeah. 1 for 5, 2 for 8, 3 for 12. There you go.
Wow. Thanks a lot.
No problem. You want to keep this?
Sure.
There you go.
Thank you. Mamaya naman lang. Are you going to speak today?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I'm just the audience.
What?
I'll just be an audience.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it?
Well, yeah, this is the first year for this event, I think.
Yeah, I think it's highly successful.
Well, yeah, for
Yeah.
first year.
Yeah, for first year.
But I'm waiting for the program.
I like the quality of the exhibitors. There's a lot of an array of products and variety of products.
Yeah, I think the businesses are supportive of this event.
Yes, they are.
But I'm waiting for the program. There's supposed to be a stage.
There is supposed to be a program. I don't know at what time. Probably it's 1 o'clock.
Okay.
1 o'clock, yeah. I'll
Thanks.
see you later.
Laglag na ito. Ay,
Very healthy. And the other skincare is based on mango. Kasali po ba kami yan?
Oh, hi. So you shopping for sunglasses?
Kaya I'm waiting for that. Alam mo, mas maganda sa akin. Waiting niya. Bakit walang saladat para
si artistahin. Ay!
How much are they?
10 bucks.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah, they call it. Take a few shots, huh?
How are you, sir?
1, 2, and... 1, 2, and... 3. Thank you. Yeah.
$1.5.
Where are these products made? Saan gawa yung mga products?
Mga dito. Ito mga gawa namin. The Christmas decor.
Oh, you yourselves?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. How much is something like that?
This one is 45.
45.
Fully decorated. And the small one is like 28.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. I just wondered
Oh, yun. Kasi lang tayo hindi na ako magsalubot ka. Ang convention niya. Mismo yung CN Tower, yung akyat ka dun sa building ng CN Tower, o mismo sa akyat.
Hi. Are you promoting Manny Pacquiao or?
We're here, this guy.
Oh really? Why is he coming to Toronto?
He's fighting December 6th.
Where?
Las Vegas.
Oh, okay. But has he ever come to Toronto?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Do you think you'll be able to bring him in?
We'll try. He has so much.
What?
Try.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm not
Oh
sure.
really? Have you seen him fight?
Yes.
Where?
Vegas.
Did he win? Okay. Thanks.
It's very seldom that you're blessed to find your equals. To play my part and let you take the lead, bro. Believe me, I'll follow. This could be easy. I'll be there whenever you need me. I see your hustle with my hustle, I can keep you. Focus on your focus, I can teach you. Need a real woman in your life. Taking care.
See your order wrong, I order yours tomorrow. Now look at the time I saved you. Mama, let me upgrade you.
Just when you think you had it all, big income on collecting cars. Picture your life.
Shining bright, you're gonna do my baby one thing to the blue moon. It's shining bright. Well, I say blue moon, oh Kentucky, won't you keep on shining? Shine on the moon and oh, well, let it blue. Well, I say blue moon, oh Kentucky, won't you keep on shining? Shine on the moon and oh, well, let it blue. Well, it was a one moonless night, shine bright. We feel love, love standing by. On the moon, let's get back, won't you keep on shining? Shine on the moon and oh, well, let it blue. Go get Pasko sa Toronto! Magandang tanghali po. Blue moon, look at the keep on shining. Shine on the moon and oh, well, let it blue. Well, I said blue moon, look at the keep on shining. Shine on the moon and oh, well, let it blue. Yeah.
Taas kayo naman! Tayo mga kaibigan! Walker, sa inyo na ba kayo? Sino Jenny at Marina? Come on guys, tayo kayo! Clap your hands, everybody! Say yeah! Say ho ho! Aba? Sige, mga kaibigan. Ipakita nyo ang inyong husay. Ang hiya, ang saya'y naghihintay. Sa'yo kayo. Mga guys, ang lahat ay sumabay sa idak ng ating buhay. Ikaw ang kumaya, sumay. Sumay. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, everybody. Woo! Say woo, woo. Say woo, woo. Hinihintay ang kaibigan. Tayo na, mga guys. Tayo na magkaisa. Lahat, tayo na. Woo! Kung na ang saya. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang barang gusto nyo, ha? Tayo! Boom, tarat, tarat, tararat, tararat, boom, boom, boom. Round 2! Round 2, girls! Mabuti ang inyong bewang, umebot-kebot ka parang gumegewang. Lambutan niyo pa ang galaw ng balakang na para bang lumulutang. Isama mo na rin ang inyong ulo. Ganito, paikutin niyo, wag lang mahihilo. May ipin o wala, matanda at talbo. Come on guys! Pasko na! Pasko na! Woo! Pasko na! Tayo nang magkaisa. Hello! Pasko na! Pasko na! Tuloy-tuloy na ang saya. 1, 2, 3, go! Saba! Hello! Sabay ka! May nalaman ako, ay namon! Waba! Round 3 guys, round 3! Sige! Guys, tayo naman kayo! Hello, ayan! Sa gilid daw, taas kamay! Say yeah! Say oh! Say woo! Round 3! Ang buong mundo. Okay na ba kayo? Kinikilig ka dito, ha? Ayan o, ha? Gusto mo ba? Halina ang mga tigulo. Come on, guys! Tayo na! Woo! Tayo na! Tayo na magkaisa. Hey, same time, ha? Same time. Tayo na! Mga kaibigan, sabay-sabay! Sige naman! 1, 2, 3, go! Tararat, tararat, boom, boom, boom. Ay, sabay mo rito, minimi. Sigaw! Tararat, tararat, boom, boom, boom. Oy, stop natin. Sabay kayo. Tararat, baba. Boom, tarat, tarat. Come on. Boom, tarat, tarat. Come on. Tarat. Boom. Okay. Oh, guys.
Sir, tuwakan ninyo. Tumahan niyo ako dito.
Yes. Come on.
Mahihirap ng mga tanong namin.
Kamusta ba dyan? Sino ba yung t-shirt?
Okay, you won. Eto, may nanalo dito. Isa.
Sige pa.
Dito. Ano pa? Rhea. Okay?
Come on, guys. Aba kayo. Come on. Agad the bike.
Saan ka nakatira? Dito ka. Sino ba?
Sino? O, Tena. Hinagis ka agad.
What's your name?
RJ po.
Oh, RJ daw ang pangalan niya. RJ daw, RJ. Ang t-shirt. Hello.
Dito.
Asan na yung t-shirt?
Hi, Tristan.
May isa akong t-shirt. Asan na?
Ilan naman t-shirt tayo, mga kaibigan? Sandali lang po. Baka may very strict.
Okay.
Tatandaan ko yan, okay? Ano pangalan mo ulit?
Lahat ng mga may t-shirt, RJ.
Pinata ba?
Akin na siya.
RJ,
Ay, yung t-shirt ka
bigyan
lang.
namin sandali po, ha?
Oh,
Alright.
I'll give you.
Mga kaibigan, Ang ating next performer ay si Michael Reyes.
What happens when I feel fly when I'm not with you? Think of it just and change the truth. Taking them off at the day I'm on. Trying to shut off when I'm missing you. I'm a step out of the bunch of could you follow hey, you said I lay with nothing but a t-shirt on. 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 You will be so nice every February. We're gonna have a celebration all my world. In every nation, it's time for the good times. Oh, get a bit better, oh yeah. Sing together, face without pressure. We need a holiday. Give me the holiday. Come on, so time to celebrate. Come on, let's celebrate the day of life. Holiday, it will be so nice. Can you make some noise, people? Come on, let me hear you make some noise. I can't hear you good yet.
No, there's 19 different fruits, all the best fruits in all the world. They put it all in one barrel.
At ang ating winners, mga kaibigan.
Most of the fruits are from Brazil.
Ang ating mga winners, one more time, let's go!
This is made in Brazil.
No,
Yes! Sabay-sabay tayo dyan, mga kaibigan. Para sa mga winners.
what's the
Ayan.
this one?
Shake it around, walang isang price natin.
Freeze dry. Freeze dry is like when you have once you pick it, you have to freeze it right away. Then the magic become a flower. And that's what it means. That's what the mistake of people.
Yes, sorry, kaibigan.
They don't do that. Now they add it in so nobody can copy it.
Sa kanila lang ito eh.
Has the high end also.
And salamat mga kaibigan, para sa mga winners.
So that it really have all the product from Cobra and you see
Ang ating next day, mga kaibigan, na ito ang mga discussion. Alam niyo, right?
this has been like 7 years ago. 10 years ago they just discovered discovered
Last class, ito makinig kayo ah. The first 50 customers ang bumili nyo ng CXO Plus ang loan po sa kaliwa.
surprisingly it's a lot of stuff. And we have a study proof here that leukemia eradicate cases of
Jericho,
just for a test. Then the breast cancer, is a 75% once the all tests will yes, actually this is a US base. We just this is a swing.
hours of programming. Nasa nila at hindi ko ulit-ulit kaya natapos natin yung weekend. Ako nasa bahay na, ayun. Pagkatawag na lang ang mga
after that, people are buying. The next thing you know, now they have Japan, Australia, Canada, and Brazil, and Spain.
sa pagkakapagin ko mga gano'n. Oo.
That's why I said that.
I saw your samples.
Ang price ngayon ng box ay $100. With this girl right here. At ang question, hindi kayo mabuti ha?
So what's
Kaya hindi kayo makakakita ko na pwede ko kayo.
the most basic
Name 5 actors of the cast of That's My Dog.
What's the 25
The cast.
Kasi minsan weekends sa
Hindi mo sila ng ano ha? Sabi.
500
Agabulan, tama ba agabulan? Eh, oh, correct. Number 2. Bayani. Sorry, bayani di ba? Tama ba? Sige ba? Pag nakuha yung 5 actors. Princess Lara, tama po, di ba? Pokwa! Ay, si Pokwa ngayon. So far, they have 4 points. Isa pa. Jay Cuenca, tama ba yun? Jay Cuenca is correct. Palakpakan mga kaibigan. 1 point for Jay. Grabe. Kita mo yun ang mga benefits ng ano, pag alam yung mga pag-tips ito pa, napaka-easy lang. Kaya huwag niyang kalimutan, the first 50 customers na doon may ano pero may chance na photo of mga magulang artista kamukha nila mo. Kim Chu! Sino ba? Gerald. At si Jen Padilla, grabe, klaro niyo si Jen. 2005 champion. The best singer, I think, ha? And of course, si Jericho! Grabe, ayun. Si Jericho.
Yeah, you know, like I used to have a
Next question, ready, yeah?
idol when I tried
Next question. Ito na. Salamat po. Salamat. Kukuha ka ng mga dapat hindi pa kita.
Well, I'm gonna spin a blackberry because
Alam ko kinikilig ito sa'yo. Si Jericho!
goes that way.
Ito ha. Identify at least 3 big benefits of having BFC Go at home. Pagbigay kayo ng tatlong benepisyo at nakapagmeron kayo ng BFC Go. Okay? Ready?
I'll see you around.
Left and go. Spray freedom distance in here. Wala po rito freedom distance. Mayroon po ba? I do apologize. Sige, okay. Last question ha. Ito. Kailangan talagang science. Hindi pwede science. Ito mabilis na kayo Ito. Name 3 newscasters in TV Patrol. Kaliwa dyan. 3, 2, 1, bilis! Noli De Castro!
Alright.
Ano na ba si Noli sa atin? Vice President na yun. Alam niyo, grabe, 20 years na pala sila.
Story. Because he didn't injure himself. Don't imagine that people did it. Can't believe it. He didn't get me, just didn't mean it. It's a fix that I don't know. I changed my number. Cause I see the light. We're on this flash. You know that I'm right. 1, 2, 3,
Sponsored by the Flora, Shirley Salazar. No tissue na lahat ng game. So, ibo. Kailangan ko lang mga contestant.
JDB pag-iisa.
Angry?
Maligayang ko.
Ako naman. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat! Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat! Hindi ako. Okay, next. Game na po tayo.
Okay, so,
Doon tayo sa start.
Christian.
Ebony? Ano yung muna natin sa practice una?
Okay, practice.
Practice.
Dad.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat na masaya. Happy! Sing.
Pasko sa inyong
Happy
lahat.
kayo.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Yung masaya muna ha, sige. Happy!
Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Siya.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Dito, ikaw ano? Sila.
Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko sa inyo lahat.
Okay. O ngayon, isa-isa. Eto na ang totoo. Okay? Say your name, tapos sasabihin mo maligayang Pasko na you're happy, and then you say you're sad, and then you're angry. Tatlong beses.
Si Aaron. Maligayang Pasko sa inyo.
That's sad.
You're the angry one. Maligayang Pasko sa inyo lahat! Maligayang Pasko sa inyo lahat!
Oh, someone just spit.
You're next.
Ay, gusto yung lahat.
If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you'll finally see the truth, that a hero lies in you. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Ay! Sige, dalawa na lang tayo mga kaibigan. Oh, ready na kayo ha? Bilis, bilis, bilis. Oh, lapit konti, lapit konti. Ready, set.
Merry Merry Christmas! Merry
Bilis, bilis!
Christmas! Merry 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 wow! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Oh my God, nakapagod tayo rito. Sa tingin mo, dalawa na natin mga winners ha? Sa tingin mo?
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Ano sa tingin mo, girls? Ha? Masakit na yung binti ko, matanda na. O sige, bilis.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Bilis, bilis!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry
O sige, sige. Now, we're gonna change the mechanics. There it goes like this.
Oh.
Christmas. Ako ba? Yeah, very. Christmas. Okay?
Thank you, investor.
Hey, thank you daw. Napakasaya. Please claim your prizes. Ako din yun. I work in Scotiabank. Tanong mga pangalan, bilis.
They're open. So you guys have to do the walking too, okay?
Okay.
Like a real model.
Alright, do it now. Ano kanila? Sige. Maestro, music.
Sir, is there a ticket for that? No.
Yeah, have a ticket already?
Yeah, we have.
Go around.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Okay, stand right here, please. Doon po. Contestant number 2.
Hello, I'm Diane. In Scotiabank, you're richer than you think. Thank you.
Kita ko pa, darling. Announcement lang po. Sorry po. We do apologize. Importante lang. Meron lang pa.
Think you're richer than you think.
Show them your ticket, and then they deal with it.
Cool, there we go.
Deal with it. You gotta ask them.
Ow! Hi, my name is Brenna, and in Scotiabank, you're richer than you think.
And Jovian, if you can put your right hand and see if who has the loudest applause.
Okay, so Paparena. Rachel.
Okay.
Diane.
guys. So, come down to the bottom. We're near the bottom.
And the winner is this girl. Your name is once again? Naomi, palakpakan mga kaibigan. Pakita mo ulit ang inyong kembot. Yes. Alright. Maraming salamat sa mga team sponsors. Guys, exit to the left. And remember at Scotiabank, guys, you're richer than you think. Hindi po ba? Ang next na
Okay lang dyan! Okay ba? I'm all sugar. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Tita Zena. Number one question. May mga Western Union agents sa Pilipinas na bukas sa araw ng Pasko at bagong taon, okay? A. Tama ba? Merong 1,200 Western Union agents are open. B. Mali. C. Hindi ko alam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. And the answer is... Anong A? A! Binula, A. Tama kayo! Palakpakan sa mga kaibigan! Alright? Good job, guys! Number 2. Maestro, sali lang po. Question number 2 goes like this. Alin ang pinakabagong ahente ng Western Union, okay? Tip, bago sila, okay? The latest agent to join up, okay? A. Pampangkenya.
Where are you going?
B. Coco Banana, Pinoy Foods at Variety Store. At C. Scotiabank. And 3, 2, 1, and stop! And the answer is... C, in the air. Joke lang. The answer is C, Scotiabank. Alright, good job guys. You're gonna be faster, okay? I'm gonna give you quickly 3 seconds to decide, okay? Number 3. Alin sa tatlong location na maaaring padalaan ng pera sa Pilipinas? Pilipinas ha? Naku, mahirap to. A, Petnet. B, Jollibee. C, Mercury Drugstore sa Baguio. A, Petnet. B, Jollibee. And C, Drugstore sa Baguio. 3, 2, 1, and go. Sigurado ba kayo? One last chance. A, B, or C? Talaga? And stop. The answer is A. So ganito. Mag-ibigyan ko kayo ha. You gotta be fast. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds. Go back. Since Pasko naman, mabait ang ating sponsor ng Western Union. Some question, okay? Mabilis. The first person to go behind our beautiful girls. Pero walang hahawak ha. Hindi yung, alam mo na, di ba? Magaling yung mga magulang niya. The first person to go at back. Okay? The first person. Ito na. The final last question, Tito. Ito Western Union has a loyalty program that benefits frequency. There's yung mga madalas ng padala ng pera sa Pilipinas o sa ibang mundo. What do you call this card? Is it A, Preferred Customer Plus or BCP card? B, Priority Client Pass? At C, Pretty Canadian People, and go! And stop. Pretty much as said, yung all pumunta sa likod. At ang sagot dito sa aking nahawakan ay letter... Bilis, 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 kuya, bilis, bilis. Ha? Tama ka, letter A eh. A, yung panalo. At ang pangalan mo ay, tara mo pangalan siya. Palakpakan mga kaibigan kay Rhea. Please claim your prizes at mga consideration prize. Okay. Cool. Give me 1 second. Ang ating next performer mga kaibigan. Palakpakan mga girls yan. Sige, baka. Alright, let's go girls.
before you came by. I was humming a tune, drinking in sunshine tests. Love hit me in the eye. When bam, as I can slam, I get orange, colored sky. Wah. This is